So I had this issue of not being able to charge my Jlabs, and they wouldn't connect for some reason. I'd put them in and they wouldn't charge. So I figured out, after looking at other videos explaining nothing really. And so I just discovered, see these little contact points? You just gotta clean them. So I just took this nail filer from this nail clipper and just gently scraped off the contacts, charging contacts, and they seem to work. The red light goes on, and the blue light's functioning. It's charging.